Big Bamboo. Fiesta grande na Guatapa, no sa baila, bailate madruga. Oro cubo tiene Big Bamboo. Ay, taquito tuvo pena na corazón. ¡Huepa! Ay, la gana se canta Big Bamboo. Y de la tequila pa Big Bamboo. Oro cubo tiene Big Bamboo. Tuvo pena en el corazón. ¡Opa! ¡Bambú! ¡Rico! ¡Bambú! ¡Bambú! ¡Bambú, sí! ¡Bambú! ¡Bambú la culé! ¡Bambú culé! ¡Bambú culé! Zaragoza, ven, la baila te fin. ¡Big Bambú! De madruga esta ducha.
Hi dancers. All right, so we are learning bamboo right now. It's a lovely little dance, of course, and I'm going to do as usual. I'm going to break the steps, then we're going to break it a little bit more until you feel comfortable. Then we do it with a count, and then we dance together. So here it is. First, we start with mambo touches. So we're going to do mambo right, so touch, recover in the middle, mambo left, recover in the middle. You're going to do a rocking chair, rock forward and rock back. Then a jazz box, which means you cross, you uncross, quarter turning to the right and cross forward. Rock scissors, so rock, recover back into left and cross shuffle twice there with the right. You're going to touch the left and flick back and forward, cross, shuffle twice. All right. From there, we're going to do a sway. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just back and forth with the hips, 4 beats. Okay. Right goes forward. You do a half turn. You shuffle forward, rock forward with the left, recover on right, and you're going to coaster back, back, and forward. And we start all over again. So let's do it from here and in. Touch to the side for the 2 mambos. Touch to the side. Rocking chair with the right, goes forward, goes back, jazz box, quarter turn to the right, 1, 2, 3, cross forward, right foot is gonna go out for scissors, cross, shuffle twice, touch and flick, forward, cross, shuffle twice with the left, sway hips, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right goes forward to pivot halfway, shuffle forward with that right, rock forward with the left, and coaster back, left, right, left. And repeat it on this wall, and the next wall, and the next wall. You know how it works. So let's do it with a count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, rocking chair, 6, 7, jazz box, and at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rock shuffle, 7 and flick. So 1, 2, cross 3 and 4, sway 5, 6, 7 and 8, touch, turn, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5 and 6, 7, and again, side mambo, touch, mambo, rocking chair 5, 6, 7, jazz box, go 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8, touch 1, flick 2, 3 and 4, sway 5, 6, 7 and 8, touch, turn, half, shuffle forward, rock 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yay! Okay, so you know what to do. Put the video again and have some fun. Practice a little bit more, and then you put the music and dance with me.
Big Bamboo!